What's good, guys? Just a Farm here. Welcome to the next part of the Just a Farm Coffee Lake PC build. And in this part, guys, we're going to show you guys how to install a Samsung 500 gig solid state drive into the Thermaltake case, guys. We're pretty much going to be installing it with the 4 screws that are provided right here. And it's going to be going into the SATA bay drive, guys. We're going to be putting it at the bottom and all that. So let's show you guys how to install it, guys. Alright, guys, so the first step is before we install this SSD right here, we got to make sure we choose what drive we're going to be putting it in. So looking at the way I'm planning on doing it, we have the fan blowing in cold air, and I don't want to have the radiators hot air exporting onto my hard drive. So this is the only one I'm really got without it exporting on the hard drive. For future use, I kind of was planning out differently. So first things first, we're just going to slide this out. As easy as that. Now we slide that out, and right away, guys, you guys can see there's 4 holes right there. So let me just put this right here so you guys can see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so those 4 holes are going to be the main holes that the SSD is going to be screwing into, guys. So you guys can see there's 4 holes right there. Those silver holes on each corner. And so you guys want to make sure the back pin is facing back when it actually installs onto the SATA bay drive. So it would be pretty much sitting like this on there. Like it would be more straight if you guys find all the holes. And it would just push right in just like how this drive is pushing in. It would push into the back. And if you guys can see, there's space back there for you guys to wire it up. And that's how it works. So if I would just flip this over real quickly, you guys can see those are the holes you guys are trying to line up. So it would be just lined up as so. Trying to get the camera to focus so you guys can see.
Same motherboard screws.
Yeah, the same motherboard screws. So that's going to be installing over there. So let me just quickly install this SSD real quickly onto these screw holes, and I'll show you guys from there the next step. Alright, guys, just like I explained, we're just going to simply put this on top. Or flip it over, and we're going to know which way our holes are going to be going, like I showed, all 4 holes. And we're going to get our screws, and they're pretty much just going to go in here, guys, over here. So let me just always reverse turn a little bit.
It's tricky too.
A little bit tricky to have it held on and everything, but as I just got that screwed in. Once you get one in, it holds. Not too tight. And so it's simple as that. You guys got one in, and now just 3 more to go in. I like to do everything diagonally so it doesn't cause any stress or any damage, because I know from the past there's always been times when the fans have cracked and stuff like that, the plastic, but then a lot of computer parts have really advanced over the years. The plastics have been made more stronger and stuff like that. So screwing this in, as you guys can see, I'm not going ham at it like socket or like a drill bit speed. Just slowly going at it. I'm screwing it in just until it's snug, as you guys don't really want the screws to really dig in there. So let's go over it one more time. It's a quick retighten. And done. So right there, I installed all 4 screws right there. As you guys can still read the 500GB SSD. It's all shaped all perfectly, so that's a good thing that you guys know you installed it correctly. And the pins are right there. And so now, simple as that's installed. It says Samsung like that. It's not really possible for you to flip it away if you guys want to see Samsung. You're not really going to see it. But that's how you guys would install it. And now this would simply just slide in right here until it clicks. So once that slides in, I can turn the computer around. And you guys can, kind of hard to see. Let me shine some light. You guys can see that. Right there.
Oh yeah, I can tell.
That's an SSD sitting right down there. So that's it plugged in. Let me just quickly show you guys what I'm talking about. If from the front, if I would slide that out. So you guys can see. That's the one I just installed. Sliding it out. And clicks in like that, as so. So turn it back to the front. So yeah, we got our SSD installed, guys. It's all hooked up. Everything's ready. Or it's not really all hooked up, but like it's all screwed in. It's all ready. You guys can install 3 more if you guys want, or 2 more if you really wanted to. And you can always get extended more if you really wanted to, extend more. But for the time being, it's more than enough. And also we do have the M.2, which we did install under there, under the Republic of Gamers, if you guys saw that video. If you guys haven't, go back, check that out. And so yeah guys, the next step of this is we're going to be most likely making an unboxing of the RAM and installing the RAM on the motherboard. And then after that, we're going to be showing you guys how to install the PCI Express cable to the graphic card that's going to be going over here with the RGB lighting. And then yeah guys, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and check out the next part of the series guys. Take care.